Hello and welcome to BizRun. This quick video will show you how to eliminate a position and also a little bit about the workflow settings related to the eliminate position transaction. We have two actors or roles presented in this video. First one is Callie. Callie is a supervisor of this small department in which there are two positions, one of which is filled by Ronald and another one is empty. The other actor is played by Arista. She is an organization administrator, or short, org admin. We're going to first check on the workflow settings for eliminate position. So as Arista, I'm going to navigate under settings, workflow, and eliminate position. I'm going to click on this pencil to see the settings. And as you can see here, there are four different settings involved. First of which is levels of supervisor approval required. Right now it's currently set at 1. The second one is require organization administrator approval. We're going to set that to yes. Third one is suspend eliminate position approval workflow, currently set to no. And then finally, require group approval. So require a group approval is only necessary if you would like to have additional people or an additional person approve this particular transaction above and beyond the supervisor org admin. We're going to go ahead and click submit. And now we're going to switch over to Callie's login. So Callie would like to eliminate this position, which is called the producer web 2 for the features department. There are two prerequisites for being able to eliminate a position. First off, the position must be empty. It cannot be filled. And then second, the position cannot have any subordinates or other positions or people reporting to it. So the first step is for Callie to click on the position profile, then click on the position gears, which is next to the position title. As she navigates down to the very bottom of the menu, she'll find eliminate position. Notice here, if I were to try the same thing for Ronald by going into his profile and the position gear, I would not be able to see an eliminate position at the bottom. And the reason for this is Ronald is occupying this position. Again, one of the prerequisites is for the position to be empty before you can eliminate it. So I'm going to close that up, go back to the producer web 2 position, click eliminate, then comes this pop-up that we need to fill out. So as you can see here, it has information on the position, the org, supervisor, as well as the supervisor's organization. We need to select an effective date. We'll go ahead and leave it as today, basically wanting it to happen immediately after approval. We have additional information on who initiated. In this case, it was Callie, and then the required approvers. If you recall from the workflow settings, they were set for one level supervisor and an org admin to approve. Org admin is listed as an approver here only because Callie is actually the one level supervisor over this position. By her initiating this transaction, she is automatically approving it. So I'm going to go ahead and click submit. If we go into her pending pane, you can see the transaction here for the eliminate position transaction. We're going to flip over to Arista, who's the org admin, and we'll navigate over to her active pane. And here you can see that transaction awaiting her approval. We're simply just going to approve. So I'm going to click approve and submit. And since she was the only approver and today's date was the effective date, we will no longer see that position under Callie. And same thing if we go over to Callie's login. Now Ronald in his position is the only one that reports to Callie. And that's it. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.